Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Park and I'm from Massachusetts. I currently graduated from the respiratory program last year of May, and I'm currently employed in a small community hospital. I first known about this profession through a friend, and we both went to an info session for respiratory care, and we were both interested in the program. My friend decided to do something else, and I've um, stuck to respiratory care. Um, I think what I love about our profession is how it's a specialty field, and we have a lot of control over what we can um, do, especially being an advocate for our patients, especially in the respiratory field. And I think that's the most uh, profound thing about our profession. And I hope we can all learn something together in this class. And I hope everyone has a great day or night.